Hi, I am Ajitesh Malik, and today we shall be discussing about the most important factor that's affecting the agri-commodity prices, and it's the monsoon. Monsoon arrived in the Indian coast in 1st of June this year, but throughout the next 1.5 months, we have seen a huge deficit in rainfall activities in most parts of India, particularly central and northwest India. Till last week, the deficit was a massive 43% below normal, and over the next 1 week or so, there has been some sort of revival in monsoon, and the deficit has come down to 29%. Now, what has happened in this period from June onwards is that it's the main sowing period for Kharif crop. During the next 1.5 months till middle of July, we have seen a delayed sowing, less than normal sowing area for most of the Kharif crops. But surprisingly, what we have also seen is that the agri-commodity rates have not gone up significantly, because 43% was a huge deficit. The primary reason being a huge food grain stock that was there due to excellent monsoon rains and high production of most of the food items last year. Over the next 1 to 1.5 months, again this monsoon rains would be critical, as the sowing would continue till end of August. As per the latest IMD reports, there are expectations that the revival would continue over the next few weeks, and that can definitely be good for the sowing prospects. So considering this fact that the monsoon is going to revive over the next few weeks also, we can expect some more short-term corrections in most commodity prices. So we are seeing, what we have seen is that that most of the agri markets which have not recovered over the last 1.5 months, despite a weak monsoon, we can expect that the prices might come down to some more extent, provided the monsoon rains, the revival of the monsoon rains remains over the next few weeks. But from a long-term point of view, we consider till November, December, definitely the damage to the crops has been done from June onwards, when we saw a deficit of 43%. Now 43% deficit was a huge one, and from a long-term point of view, we can expect there could be a high possibility that overall crop situation, the Kharif crop situation, may be lower than what we have seen last year. So from a short-term point of view, due to good monsoon rains, revival of the monsoon rains, we can see some sort of short-term corrections in most of the commodity prices, be it oil complex, be it spices, be it pulses. But from a long-term point of view, if the productivity, considering the fact that the productivity of the crops goes down, considering the fact that the sowing area might come down from most of the Kharif crops, we can see a long-term bullish market sentiment for the counter. And again, from October, November, December onwards, the export demand would also pick up. If the dollar strengthens further, then definitely that can act as a further supporting factor for the markets to move on. Thank you.